Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. For the new people who are on this channel, my name is Armand, and today we arrived back to Palma de Mallorca. And to come to Sacoma from Palma de Mallorca, you have a direct bus A42. It's coming direct from Palma Airport to Sacoma. Was costing like 13 euro. It's not too much, better than taxi 80 euro, because I was trying to find the transfer but was like 280 euro, but I was lucky, I get the bus. Now we are going around and let's see what we found, because we are new here, never been here. Let's go around. Okay guys, for this time I think there are a lot of shops open. I don't know if you hear me really good because it's windy, but here you have also Burger King and just they open. I see you have something to eat. You have a lot of shops with ice cream. Okay guys, we arrived next to the beach. It's really windy, but let's see if we found a nice place to make some nice videos. For the people who they don't have time to visit Sacoma, I will show you something nice if I found. I'll do some pictures. And it's so sunny and so hot. And after I think I will go to eat something. I will show you also my hotel room. Is nice one, is an apartment. It's not so close to the beach, it's like, to say 500 meters. It's not so far away, but it's okay. Okay guys, we arrived next to the beach and I found something nice, but let's see how we'll be filming because there are a lot of people around. And Okay guys, I will make the room tour. This is my living room. It's a big apartment, my TV. I have a big balcony. Already I arrived here and I make my stuff because I was so tired. Here I have a small kitchen if I want to cook something. Ta-dam! Here is the toilet. Already I make a shower. It's really big. Here I have where to put my clothes one. Here is the bedroom. Already I put my laptop out. 2 beds. I think is enough for me. Okay guys, this was the vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to support me, please share, subscribe and thumbs up for this video. And if you want to see something special in Mallorca, just leave me in comment section. Thank you for watching and see you with the next video. Bye bye.